Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the Minimalist Salicylic Acid. Salicylic acid is an exfoliant. It is a type of beta hydroxy acid, also known as BHA. It is an active that boosts skin's natural cell turnover, encourages exfoliation and also unclogs the pores. It penetrates deep into the skin through the oils and the clogged pores, resulting in deep cleaning. It works best for mild acne, blackheads and whiteheads. It's a very strong active. Talking about this particular product, this is the Minimalist Salicylic Acid 2%. This comes in a transparent bottle with a dropper. It's a very sturdy bottle and the dropper is very convenient to use, which is like the usual packaging of this brand. This is a 30 ml bottle for some 549 rupees. You can buy it directly from the Be Minimalist website. This is fragrance free and non-comedogenic. Like most of the products of this brand, this serum also has the base of aloe vera juice, and this product, as per the brand, wards off all the blackheads and keeps your oils in check for that flawless matte finish look that everyone dreams of. As per the brand, it takes 2 weeks to notice visible clarity and 4 weeks to enjoy acne free skin, and you'll feel less oily immediately after the first use itself. Let's understand how to use this product. Firstly, always do a patch test. Do not go on to applying any product on your full face without doing a patch test, because it may just not suit you, it may just not work for you, it may turn out to be something really harmful. So always do a patch test. I highly recommend that. Secondly, you can apply this product either in your AM routine or your PM routine, depending on what suits you, what you like. Personally, I feel exfoliants work way better in the night, so I use it in my PM routine. Now, if you are applying it in the day, always wear SPF, because exfoliants make your skin susceptible to sunburn. 2% salicylic acid is a lot, okay? It's a very powerful ingredient in a very powerful ratio, so make sure that you start slow. You can use it say once or twice or maybe even thrice in a week to start, and then when your skin starts really taking to it, when your skin is really used to it, then you can go on to applying it every single day. And make sure to strengthen your skin barrier, okay? Like I said, I apply it in the night. I layer it with a lot of moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and ceramide, because exfoliants make your skin really dry and sensitive. If your skin barrier is not strong, your skin will not be able to take such a powerful active. Okay, so always make sure that you first work on your skin barrier. When you are applying this serum, make sure that you do not combine it with vitamin C, retinol, benzoyl peroxide or any other exfoliant. I any which ways feel that you should not mix a lot of actives together, because any which ways actives are really harsh on your skin. So I feel one active at a time works really well, at least for my skin. Talking about my personal experience with this product, I have been using it for over 2 months now, and I started very slow. I used it twice in a week in the beginning for 2 weeks, I think, and then I went on to applying it every single night. Initial purging is very normal. You'll feel as if, you know, all the oil and all the dirt and grime is coming up on the surface of your skin. You'll feel those, you know, little bumps on your skin if you touch your skin. That is the moment when you need to control. Like somebody like me, I am very fidgety. I keep picking my skin. Like if I have any bump or anything on my skin, I will end up picking it, you know, no matter how much I control. So I really had to control myself. If you are somebody like me, make sure that you don't touch your skin. Don't look yourself in the mirror. You know, that is the best way, because if you'll keep looking at yourself in the mirror, you'll keep thinking, "Arey, yahan bhi hai, wahan bhi hai," and then you'll keep touching it, you'll keep picking it. Give your skin some time, because it took me good 3 weeks to actually start seeing any result on my skin. If you have whiteheads, this will definitely work on your whiteheads. This will work on your mild breakouts also, because it worked for me. But in terms of blackheads, it did not really clear the blackheads. I mean, it did clear, but it was a very slow process and it wasn't 100%, at the same time. So I'll say it does not really work on the blackheads, but it will definitely work on the whiteheads and mild acne. I have used salicylic acid for the first time in my life, like our salicylic acid serum. I've used products with salicylic acid with a very low percentage in the past, but not like a 2% salicylic acid on its own. I have not used that. So I can say that it's a very slow process, so you need a lot of patience. If you look for like immediate results, it might not be the product for you. And I feel that is with a lot of products, right? All the products take some time to really work on your skin. I think with skincare, patience is very, very important, because when you start seeing the result, you will like it. Thank you so much. I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. I really look forward to your feedbacks, and definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon, because you guys do not want to miss out on anything that I put out. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.